You ever feel like you're standing at the edge of a vast canyon, dreaming of flight but paralyzed by the sheer drop? That dream isn't about being fearless. It's about the terrifying, exhilarating courage to leap, even when your knees are knocking. I remember a project I procrastinated on for months, overwhelmed by the unknown, the weight of potential failure crushing me. But then I thought of Amelia Earhart, not just the flights, but the monumental courage it took just to you learn to fly against all odds. What if your greatest regret isn't the mistakes you make, but the incredible journey you never dared to start? Every towering oak was once just an acorn, daring to sprout. Every masterpiece began with a single uncertain stroke. You don't need a map for the whole adventure. You just need the audacity for the very next step. Just go any step. So right now, identify that one thing you've been avoiding. Make that call. Write that first sentence. Take that micro action. Because when you find the courage to begin, you don't just unlock your own potential. You light a path for others to follow. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Take the leap. The world is waiting for you to fly.